Okay, so I'm going to show you how I wash my makeup brushes. I have 1 cup of water and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dish soap. So I'm going to take one of my brushes and just kind of mix that all up. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and you are going to take the end of your brush and just kind of brush it out. Now, so I'm going to run it under some water, warm water preferably. Then you're going to take each brush when you're done and you're just going to reshape it to what it needs to look like. And then just lay it down on a towel and then you're going to keep going. See ya when I get them all done. Okay, so I have these ones washed. I'm going to just let these lay here and dry. I right now have my 2 brushes for my foundation, that one and this one. They are just gonna soak for a little bit because I've washed them through with 1 solution and there's 2 solutions in here right now, so I'm just gonna let them soak. Some of your brushes you might need to do this with, especially foundation brushes. They can get pretty yucky, so you might brush them around every once in a while, and then when you feel like they're fairly clean, just pull them out and rinse them off and let them dry as well. So that is how simple it is. Once you've done that and they're dry, you can use them as soon as they are dry. I don't suggest blow drying any of them. I have heard a few people that say to blow dry them and they'll dry faster, but I feel like this really just helps them lay down into the shape they need to be. Every once in a while I'll flip them over, but pretty much that's all there is to washing your makeup brushes. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope that you'll subscribe if you're new to this channel. We'd love to have you as part of this YouTube family. I also want to thank those who watch faithfully every single week and like my videos and comment on my videos. You guys mean a lot to me. I also want to thank all of those who have been very supportive of me throughout this YouTube journey. I am really enjoying it and I hope you are too. I will see you next time. God bless you. Bye.